Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Classify.
What does the dictionary say?
To arrange or organize by classes. Order according to class.
Math rap.
To classify isn't strange. It's the art of knowing how to arrange in groups or by some property or trait, like putting matter in categories by their state.
Math rap.
My math teachers refused to teach me this particular math term. When I asked them why, they said, "We can't. It's classified information." Explain the concept of classifying in your own words. Make a chart and classify the objects found in your bedroom. Think of the variety of objects. Do you have books, clothes, games? Make a chart and classify the type of feelings you have in a day. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!